Hello and welcome. Today we're going to discuss identifying legal representation. And my name is Marc Blatstein. I am the physician who founded and created Physician Pre-Sentence Report Service. So you've been indicted, you know you have stakeholders. And so, okay, the feds have been asking questions. It's okay to panic, but at the same time, you need to start looking. What are you going to do? First, you have to find legal representation. I'm going to do my best to keep these initial YouTubes under about 3 minutes. And so family and friends, they may tell you that you're paranoid, maybe just as relax, nothing worry about, start interviewing. That's my recommendation. Once you, as part of the interviewing process, ask for referrals, really. And the referrals for clients similar to you. Most attorneys will be able to give you some clients that I'm sure they can find that will be willing to talk to you. In the federal system, most people wind up going to jail, but I'm sure they can find people that are be willing to have a chat with you. At the same time, you also want to ask them to review, if you could, several sentencing memorandums. And your goal is to see if they all look the same. Sentencing memorandums are what attorneys submit to the court about a week before sentencing. And so the attorney may tell you that, this is private information covered by HIPAA, and you can agree, except in Adobe, all this can be redacted. And if they all look the same after you're able to see them, you need to move on to another attorney that you feel comfortable with. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's move up to the slides. And at the same time, you've been able to go ahead once you're comfortable. You want to make sure that this is going to be a team effort, because there may be things that you have that you want the attorney to consider once you reach the point of where you want to mitigate the sentence. And so you each, as part of the team effort, you need to be 100% upfront with the attorney regarding the events of the case. Otherwise, the only person that's going to be hurt is you. At the same time, you want the attorney to be able to go ahead and accept your recommendations, should you have any, or at least take them under consideration. And lastly, great AUSA attorney or prosecutors don't always convert to great white-collar defense attorneys. They may, but it's not a definite that because you're a great prosecutor makes you a great attorney. And so that's why I advise ask questions. And that's the only way to find out, is to just ask questions. It's a pretty basic thing. I hope you found this helpful. My contact information is right in front of you, and I appreciate you taking time to listen. Have a good day and stay safe.